Hi guys, you're watching Ride Comparisons and today is the opening day of Mandrill Mayhem. Are we going to get on it? Stay tuned. So far so good, no traffic. The ride in reserve goes live in 40 minutes. Hopefully we can get a ticket. We've hit the Chessington traffic. It's not too bad. The park opens in half an hour. Wish us luck. Okay, so parking was a nightmare, but we finally made it.
We've got 8 minutes.
We got 10 minutes. 10 minutes until the ride and reserve goes live. So the way they've done the Mandrill Mayhem opening day, you have to book it online. You can only ride it once, but I'm going to assume in 10 minutes everyone's going to go on that app and try and book in a slot. So hopefully we will get on it today. 5 minutes. 4 minutes. We got it.
Alright, good.
Right, darling.
Where's Bob?
Here we go. Excited?
Yes.
I've been saying ever since I was a little boy that Chessington needs a ride that goes upside down. This is the first inversion at Chessington. It might not be a world-beating coaster, but it's definitely a good ride for Chessington World of Adventures. I think we went the wrong way. Oh my god, the people, what the...
Oh, look at that.
6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Brilliant. You allowed to record on the ride at all?
No, you won't be.
You're not allowed now. There you go guys, I can't get a POV for you unfortunately, but here we are about to go on Mandrill Mayhem on opening day. You ready?
Yes.
As we can see guys, Chessington theming, absolutely brilliant, but how does it ride? So now we found a quiet spot, guys. That was awesome. What did you think?
Oh, I loved it.
Chessington's first inversion. It is a brilliant ride. It's probably the best ride in the park now, to be honest. Personally, it reminded me a little bit of Furious Baco at Portaventura, but obviously that is a much smoother version because it is B&M rather than Intamin. There's Mandrill Mayhem opening day, guys. We've got a few of the other little rides in the park to try. Stay tuned. Here we go, ride number 2. You ready?
Yes.
Yeah. There's our second time on Mandrill Mayhem. What did you think?
It's good at the front.
So this is it, guys. Because it's a wing coaster, you've got the left side, you've got the right side, you've got backward seats on the back. So we can't tell you where the best place to sit is yet. We did have the front that time and it was awesome. I think the spike going when you reverse would probably be better at the back. But the hang time on the inversion is absolutely incredible, and then when you get to the top you're just sort of stuck laying there sideways. It's absolutely brilliant ride, guys. Get yourself to Chessington and enjoy. Sorry guys, we got a bit excited there with Mandrill Mayhem, so we'll show you some of the other bits. We'll start with the souvenirs. I got myself a key ring because obviously I collect those. Got quite a few on my car keys now. Let's have a little look. can get the Jumanji board game there. Then here we've got Mamba Strike. We were mainly here for Mandrill Mayhem, but I thought I'd show you guys anyway. Obviously, Jumanji's got the addition of 3 new rides. As you can see, the theming in the area is brilliant, guys. And then over here you got Ostrich Stampede. So there we have it, guys. Mandrill Mayhem opening day, absolutely incredible. We've got another QR code, so we are going to go on it again. I think we're going to avoid the Ostrich Stampede and the other Cobra ride that they've got there, just because the queues are absolutely heaving. If you did enjoy today's vlog, guys, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and we'll see you next time. We bumped into Theme Park Worldwide, guys. I've one question for you.
Go for it.
Mandrill Mayhem, does it beat the Swarm?